your PlasmaFlow. Okay. It's a compression device for your calves, helps with your blood circulation, helps prevent blood clots. The air bladder is going to place right behind your calf. Place this behind your calves. Have that nice and snug. Hold down the power and the unit turns on. On top of the controller, they have two display screens. Hold down the power button and the unit turns off. One display screen lets you know the pressure gauge of the air bladder. It goes from 0 up to 55, then it will start deflating. The blue screen above the power blinks when it's deflating, and it also turns red when the battery is low. This display screen lets you know how many hours you've been using the machine for. To turn the unit off, hold down the power button and the unit turns off. There's a dual connector charger. To connect the charger, it plugs in the bottom of the controller. You plug it into the wall. It takes about 4 to 5 hours for it to fully charge, and the battery lasts for about 8 hours.